wax painting. Today, we will make a wax painting. Its result will surely surprise you. Let's start making a wax painting. First, draw a landscape on the paper. Then apply diluted blue color over the picture. Let it dry well. See the result. Your wax painting is ready. Paper pasting. In this activity, we will make this basket with the strips of yellow and red glazed paper. First, color the fruits and the parts of the basket with suitable colors. Then cut out and paste strips of yellow and red paper on the basket. Make sure these strips are pasted in a pattern of basket weaving, as you can see in the picture. See, your basket is ready. Doesn't it look attractive? Pencil shading effect. Today, we will teach you about the pencil shading. You will surely like this activity once you start doing it. First, draw a thermos on the paper. Start shading it like this. Highlight the things by dark shading. Shade the rest of the picture evenly so that it may give proper shading effect. See how beautiful it has become?